Kung OFW ka at nakaipon ka at you're saying to yourself na pwede na ako magnegosyo, one thing you should never do is entrust the money that you have to somebody na hindi naman marunong magnegosyo. Kahit pangakuan ka, kahit sabihin sa'yo na kaya niya, the only test of a person na marunong siya magnegosyo is meron siyang track record, meron siyang maipapakitang negosyo na naumpisahan niya at nag-succeed. Kung meron siya nun, doon ka mag-invest with very clear written agreement on how much you own in the business and what your rights and privileges are. So don't ever entrust your money to anyone. Number two is, you want to go into business. Magandang approach is for you to be the one handling the business. So, study mo, pag-aralan mo kung anong business ang pwede mo pasukin, anong interest mo. Pag uwi mo, after being an OFW, ano yung pwede mo umpisa na maliit and start studying in that direction. So, makikita mo, kung may confidence ka na alam mo na yung negosyo, yung pera mo, secondary na lang. Because it is your ability that will make your business work. So, start on something that you know.